Yo, what is up, boys? Welcome back to yet another Minecraft video here on the channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can install Litematica for Minecraft version 1.21.8 and onwards. This is going to be a super quick, super easy tutorial. But before we dive into this, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. First things first, I hope I said that right. I think it's called Litematica, but I'm probably butchering the name. Enough of that though. Second, go ahead and close out of Minecraft if you have it open. And yes, that doesn't include the launcher. And open up a web browser of your choice. In this case, I'm going to use Google Chrome, but you could use whatever you would like and head to modrinth.com. Click on this little Discover Mod section, just like so. And there's actually a few things that we're going to need to go ahead and download. In this mod section where you search, simply type in Litematica and click on the top option and then simply click versions and then filter the game version to 1.21.8 and then hit this little download button and it'll start downloading for you up at the very top, just like so. Now this actually uses Fabric, so we are going to need to go ahead and install that. But we'll do that in just a minute because what we need to do is first go to the description of this section, scroll down just a little bit, and go back to this main section where you search for mods and then search for MyLalib, which once again, I probably didn't pronounce that right, and download this by doing the exact same thing. So go to versions, go to game versions, filter by 1.21.8, and download that top option. Okay, so we got those done. But the next thing we need to install is the Fabric mod. So go ahead and just open up a new browser and search up fabricmc.net and head to this page and then hit download and then hit download for Windows. If you're on a Mac, hit download universal jar and it should pop up with something like this. Simply go ahead and actually open up that Fabric launcher and then make sure it says 1.21.8 and then create profile and hit install and it should say okay when you're done. And then you can go ahead and exit out of this. Now you're also going to need Fabric API. So on the same page, go ahead and click on Fabric API and it's going to take you to another website called CurseForge. Go ahead and navigate to the files section, filter by game version to 1.21.8 and then download that top option by hitting the three dots and clicking download file. This is going to take you to a page. You just need to wait 5 seconds and it'll go ahead and automatically finish. And usually for Fabric API, it does say it is a suspicious download. So go ahead and just click on this and then hit download suspicious file and you're good to go. Now from here, we're going to go ahead and close out of our browser and open up the Minecraft launcher. And here's how you can add the mods to Minecraft. First things first, go ahead and click in this version section and find the Fabric loader for 1.21.8 and select it. And then go to the installations tab up at the top and find that exact same one. So that's going to be 1.21.8. Hover over this little installations folder and click on it and it's going to open up this. We just need to scroll down until you find the mods option and open it up. Now, if you don't have a mods folder, simply just right click and then hit new and then folder and name it mods just like so. Now from here, open up another file explorer and there's actually a few things that we need to drag in. So go to that downloads folder and start by dragging in Fabric API, then drag in Litematica and then drag in MyLalib. Once again, I am definitely butchering these, so ignore that and go ahead and close out of these and then simply go ahead and navigate back to the play section and hit play and it's going to load you into Minecraft. Now once you load into Minecraft, go ahead and load into any world that you would like. And once you get into the world, all you have to do is simply go ahead and press M and you're going to see the Litematica option. If it opens, everything did work. Now it actually doesn't come with a printer mode by default. If you do want that feature, let me know down in the comments. I can give you a whole paragraph guide on how to do that, or I can make another video if it gets requested enough. But yeah, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And remember to like and subscribe for even more videos just like this. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.